So
What's your question?
my question is, how do we actually implement this CEG process nak jadi change energy giver? Rasa macam susah kan.
Okay. The meaning of CEG is
change
I am a change
energy giver.
giver. The question is, what kind of values I must have in order for me to be a change energy giver? Because my values determine my attitude, which determine my action and my behavior.
Okay.
So it all start values. Now, in order to be a change energy giver, the word is energy.
Okay.
Giver, give. Energy giver. So the question I want to ask you is, if you want to be an energy giver, what kind of energy must you use in your body? Because in your body there are two kinds of energies. One
Positive
is
energy.
no,
Oh no.
soul energy,
Okay, soul energy and
ego energy.
ego energy.
So which one you want to choose?
Kena guna love lah.
Love.
Soul lah, soul energy.
Yes.
Soul energy.
Love
Okay.
is soul energy. So when you have the value of I love myself, that means I can give love to others. Because to be an energy giver, you must have love. When you give energy giver, that means you give out love. So the concept is, to be an energy giver, I must first love myself.
Okay.
So I have self-love awareness. When I have self-love awareness, what happens to my energy? Go up or go down?
Go up.
Go up. I have full of energy. Therefore, I can give out energy. Positive energy. So I become an energy giver based on love. So when I do that, what happens to me?
What happens to me? I feel happy.
Correct. Then I feel happy. When I feel happy, am I going to do it again?
Yes.
So I am going to do it again. So that's why I do it again and again and again. That means I do it in CCPR manner.
CCPR
Yes.
Continuous, consistent. Tapi which one comes first, Pak Haji? Consistent ke continuous?
Okay, it is debatable. Because
Debatable.
in the English language, it's debatable. But I like the word consistent.
Consistent.
Yeah. When you become consistent, then you create the continuity,
Okay, continuation.
continuous action. So I prefer consistent, continuous, persistent and resilient action.
Tapi kalau continuous dulu pun boleh juga. If I want to be consistent, I must continuously do something first, right?
Yes.
Tapi it's just words lah kan. Yang penting dua-dua ada lah. Consistent.
Dua-dua penting. You must be consistent and continuous. When you are consistent, you are continuous. When you are continuous, you become
consistent.
So why I use the word consistent and continuous is to give energy to it, to give visibility to it. Hey, you have to be consistent and it must be continuous. Then the message sinks faster. Because spaced repetition of words will impact your heart. Okay? So, consistent, continuous, persistent and resilient. Where does it come from? It comes from the left foundation. You must have self-love awareness, high energy and you're happy to do
Happy
it
to.
in a CCPR manner.
Not HHCP lah.
Not HHCS.
HHCS.
Yeah.
Hot chicken chip.
Yes.
Yang itu tak payah explain, yang itu orang faham kan.
Yes.
So coming back to the being a change energy giver kan. So kadang-kadang kita tak tahulah. I'm not sure, sometimes I'm overthinking about formats, right? So contoh kita nak train kita punya assistant lah. In the context of a clinic lah kan. Team taklah ramai pun, 3-4 orang, 5 orang, maybe 7 orang kan. So the doctor needs to train the CA, right? So and sometimes there's no modules and all that. Tapi kalau kita just come with being an energy giver, modules kita boleh develop kan. Because I think it's more important that our team member cares about the patient that comes in, as compared to having an SOP, written on the wall or on the desk, kan? Because I think kalau kita yalah, it starts with self-awareness, right? For us to become a change energy giver.
Yes.
Tapi kalau kita masuk office tiba-tiba marah-marah kan, tengok kursi tak susun, kita tegur nurses kita, ini apa pasal terkabur, apa pasal macam tu kan. So we create an environment of we create a feeling of being stressful kan. Jadi of course we don't love the situation lah. We don't love ourselves that we didn't realize that we should carry ourselves in a way that we want to get everybody to high energy, to be in the space of self-love, so that we can give love to our patients lah, kan?
So what's your question?
We don't need a module to do that, right? I mean, we can just sit around and talk about it and make everybody clear and okay lah, SOP helps, tapi we don't have to have a training module.
No, you don't have to have a training module. That's why I created the word, whenever we talk, we must talk with 3S.
3S, and a soul storming
session.
Yeah.
Why? Soul storming session means you talk from your soul, and you do storming session to come out with what? The most sound idea for any situation. Let it be business, let it be relationship, let it be anything. Okay? Let me give you an example. As you said just now, you are very stressful. You come to the office, you saw something wrong and you blow up. Is that good or bad?
Bad lah.
It's good.
Oh, good.
It's good. Because why? You shout and you are aware that you are shouting. That awareness is good.
Okay.
Because once you are aware of your unconscious behavior, it's a good thing.
Okay.
Because when you are always conscious of your unconscious behavior, that is the starting point of transformation.
Unless kita buat tak perasan lah.
Yes.
Kita duduk berulang-ulang kali
Correct.
buat benda yang sama.
Why orang berulang-ulang? Because they are unconscious of their unconscious behavior. Therefore, when you are conscious of your unconscious behavior, that is a good thing.
Okay.
Because at that point in time, you decide, I'm now using the energy of ego, I marah-marah orang, now I have to decide, do I want to shift it from ego love to soul love? If the answer is yes, make a decision. Can you imagine, every time you make a decision to do the shift, eventually you become second nature to you. So therefore, but you must ask me the question, how to be conscious?
How to be conscious?
You focus on your breathing. When you know that you are unconscious, the first thing you show is Bibo. Breathe in, breathe out.
Breathe
and
in,
that will reduce your beta level brainwave to alpha brainwave. When alpha brainwave, you are in present moment. When you are in present moment, you are connected with love. Then you can be an energy giver.
Tapi kadang-kadang kita pun tak perasan tengah marah-marah macam tu kan. Kita pun tak perasan masa tu lah. Mungkin afterthought, lepas habis the situation, mungkin balik, kita fikir balik kan, what did I do just now?
Okay, let me ask you, when you are angry with something, after you lash out the anger, are you aware that you're angry?
Yes.
That means you're aware of your unconscious behavior called anger.
Okay.
When you are aware, that's where you said, I must decide
Okay, alright.
to shift
My energy.
my energy from ego love to soul love, or from my altered self to my original self.
So masa tu kena breathe lah. Masa tu lah kena breathing kan. So
Yes.
that's why when you're angry, sometimes you susah tercungap-cungap kan.
Yes.
And then you feel like your heart is expanding, you feel like tangan menggeletar because you're not breathing properly, right?
Correct.
Because dia dah okay.
Yeah, you pause. You pause, stop,
Breathe.
breathe in a few times. Then what happens is your brain wave will go down. And then your brain will connect with your body. And your brain will tell you, relax. Then you become calm.
Susah juga explain simple nak jadi CEG change energy giver, tapi yalah, I see it. Of course I'm practicing, I'm becoming more aware, but doesn't mean I'm perfect. I do it all the time lah. There are times that I say the wrong things, or I blow up also, having conversations with my partners kan. Tapi I'm more aware lah. And now we want to.
Okay, so when you blow up, are you aware?
Yes.
That means you are conscious of your unconscious behavior. After that, what must you do? Breathe in.
Breathe in, breathe out, calm down.
Calm down, and then do what? Decide. To shift from ego love
to soul love.
Hey, that is not difficult. It's easy if you practice it, and then it becomes a habit. You understand or not?
Yeah. So tak perlulah ada modul, sebab saya nak tolong doktor buat modul untuk dia punya CA, tapi actually tak payah modul pun kan. We can just have a 3S conversation.
Correct.
And I'm sure the CA knows better, right, in terms of processes and all that, right? It's just that maybe we are also unconscious. We are unconscious. The team is also unconscious.
Why are we unconscious?
Wah, tricky question ni.
Because we are stressful. Why are we stressful? Because we are at beta brainwave.
Nak cepat semua.
So can you connect the dots or not? Why are you stressful?
We want to get business lah, get the day over and done with, and
No, why you are stressful?
it's because you're thinking about all this.
Because you are thinking about things, about the past or about the future. Hey, result is past or future?
Results is some past, some future.
Correct. You're worried about the past results, and you're worried
thinking
about the past
future
result. You get stressful. So how to be in present moment? People, breathe in, breathe out.
And also to think about the process lah kan.
Yes.
Because if we are concerned about results all the time, we become very stressful.
Of course.
But if we look at process, that means if we look at our self-awareness, make sure kita semakin hari semakin self-aware, and we are also aware of our surroundings together with our team.
Yes.
We develop the self-leadership, team leadership. We develop mutual trust between our team members so that we can create, a culture of serving. Then eventually we'll get results. Tapi masuk office je dah fikir,